Alright, sup Moist fam. Before we get into this fire-ass video, make sure you're subscribed, first off. 45% of you aren't subscribed. What's with that? Join the fam. Join the nation. Join the army. Anyway. Yeah, so make sure to subscribe, then like the video before we even get into it. Like it now. You might as well get it out of the way. You can also comment, chuck something down there, make fun of the boys, I don't know. Man. What's going on, man?
Dude.
What are you doing?
Got the old dome stuck in the chopper, dude.
What happened, man? Dude, looking like the fucking last airbender in these streets.
We need to get the stencil and the blue paint through the arrow.
Actually,
That'd be fire.
yeah, looks aerodynamic as fuck, dude.
Got stuck in the chopper, you know.
Man, you gotta be careful.
I feel pretty fast now, though, dude.
Oh, Joe. Looks
Air
clean,
just
man.
cuts right through, you know.
Never have to shower again.
Dude, talking about savings, man.
It's fucking mint.
Just wait, dude.
Looks clean, dude.
And buzzied, man. Makes you faster, you know.
No doubt.
Yeah. Anyways, on with the video, dude.
The last airbender.
Fell into the lawnmower last night. I don't remember much, but
Come on, man, get fired up. Let's go. Get fired up.
dude,
Come on.
I feel like it feels so fucked.
Dude, it feels pretty prickly.
You know when you get a haircut and like you touch the back of your head? My whole dome feels like that.
Dude, you never need to shower again.
But you know what I'm thinking, man?
What?
Think of the fucking savings I'm getting, dude.
Oh, no doubt.
Okay, let's do the
That's
quick
good
math
value.
here, okay? Let's say you get a haircut.
It's $25.
If you're, dude,
I
where I was
bought
going, it was 35.
That's bullshit.
I know. But dude,
Mine's pretty shit, though.
think about it, okay? $30 a month, right? 12 months in a
You're
year.
not getting a haircut a month.
Okay, some people
Were
do.
you getting a haircut?
No,
a month?
I was getting like every 2 months. But
2 months?
no, it's more than that. How much is that a year? Do the math.
Wait, 35.
35 times 12.
360 plus 12 times 5, 60, so $420.
$420 a year.
Yeah, but no one gets their shit cut a month.
Okay, well, so you did. Add the shampoo on top of that. Add the hair gel on top of that. Add the hydro bill for the fucking longer showers to wash your hair.
Yeah, man. What about the time? Time is money.
The time. I wake up, dude, I'm good to go. Put some fucking, flip the underwear inside out and I'm ready, dude.
Actually,
That's what I did this morning, dude. Actually, I showered.
That's kinda fucking
You didn't
good.
wake it up, but.
yeah. What's this box, man?
Man, scope this.
What's the box mod here?
Straight from China. Rad S13 KA. You already know it's not gonna fit. Some universal type shit. $140. Because, you know, I'm not about to drop $400 on a fucking radiator.
Mish. On a Mish.
They all come from the same place.
Didn't Mish say we got a decent amount off, though?
Probably could have gotten them for free if we had the sponsorship thing, but.
Yeah, we were talking to them before. Anyway. What do you mean they all come from the same place? Definitely don't come from the same place.
Dude, they all come from China.
I don't know.
That's what you think Mishimoto's made in the States?
No. Cameraman's not here again.
Yeah, he's out looking for a fucking job or something. I don't know.
What a loser. I thought we gave him a job.
I know.
Oh, he wants one that pays him?
I guess so.
No, fucking idiot.
I guess the experience just wasn't good enough for him.
Yeah.
Well, I wonder how this looks.
Yeah,
I don't
send
know.
us, if you guys want to be our intern, we won't pay you anything. We'll verbally abuse you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, email us, your fucking CV or whatever that shit's called. Your resume.
Your resume?
Your resume. Wait, so why do you get a rad?
The car keeps overheating, and then the radiator's cracked. And I tried JB welding it like a couple months ago, or a couple weeks ago, and it just cracked again. So I was gonna buy a new radiator eventually. You know, $140 if it works.
It's pretty good value.
Can't beat it, man. Look at this packing, dude. Some quality stuff, dude. Look at that. Looks fucking mint, dude.
That literally looks like a Mish, dude.
Dude, it is. Let's get a stencil out.
Hopefully she holds water, eh?
Yeah,
We don't want no Titanic shit.
that'd be decent if it held water.
What if it was like the fucking Titanic, man?
Well, that'd make me kind of sad. Because it was 140 US. So, you know, it was like $220 Canadian.
Jesus, man.
Well,
The
it's all
shape has
nice.
changed you.
I know, dude.
Oh, she's a little bent in the middle there. But that's alright.
Doesn't look too bad, dude.
Yeah.
Looks pretty decent. Decent schwelds on her. Craftsmanship's alright. Decent drain plug there, you know. Should work. Decent. Fucking right on, eh? Chuck this thing in, dude. This thing looks decent, man. Hopefully it holds water, but it looks pretty good.
Mods.
Are we gonna drain the coolant or do we send it?
This is water.
There's a little bit of coolant in there.
Oh. That's the repair there that didn't.
What repair?
Didn't quite do it. The JB quilt.
Oh yeah. I sprayed primer on that too because it was looking real fucked down there. Looks more fucked now, but.
These people need to get this shit out of the studio, man. Like, what is this fucking Trans-Canada Highway here? God damn. We're out here grinding.
Drain it into. Maybe just it'll fucking cruise down into the thing, eh?
Yeah, I say just drain it into the ground.
That's
dude.
what I've been doing. So.
It's mainly.
My dad
water.
said it goes to the ocean though.
Yeah, whatever. Fish are
Like
fucking.
it's a 50-50 ratio.
Fish are fucking stupid anyway.
Dude, we're flushing our shit right into the ocean. What's the difference, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
Earth, brah. Okay, we're gonna pull this shit out. Probably not gonna drain it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. And then drop the new one in, dude. Right on.
Right on.
Pretty right on, right?
Right on.
Fucking Coolant.
That's how kids come out of coochie.
I'm junk now, dude.
Fucking fuck it, dude.
Do a little side by side. Fucking mint, dude. Double the thickness.
Dude, this shit dumb tick. Fuck.
Double the
You know
thickness
what the fuck
for-
going on.
Hopefully double the cooling.
Dude, you got a whole fucking chicken stuck in this shit.
Yeah, maybe that's why it wasn't working, right?
That shit clogged as fuck.
Oh, look at this shit.
But he was running over cats and shit.
Whatever, dude. This thing's old news.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, exciting new part. Gonna be shit.
No parts. Chinese parts. Chinese parts. Chinese parts.
The only way to do it, man.
Yeah. If you're buying real parts that aren't from China, what the fuck's going on?
It's on the fucking budget, man.
Like, are you fucking...
Especially something is like not important as like cooling. Oh,
Yeah.
we need the bushings they came out with the rad. That's not good.
That's chocolate milk, I think.
That's like, isn't that like what a blown head gasket looks like?
Dude, you're supposed to... No, it's just like rust inside.
Hopefully.
You're supposed to use coolant, dude, not fucking chocolate milk.
Fuck, didn't know that, dude.
Yeah, dude. Mountain Dew. And then...
Well, that's not very far, is it? Not.
Holy fuck, but he's clipping right through the studio. What is this? Goddamn fucking... Indy 500? What is this? Indianapolis Motor Speedway? God damn, man.
That's why we need Sandwich PD.
Yeah.
Looking out for the driver.
Great guys. Sandwich PD. No, it's fine, dude. Are you fucked?
Here. Good as new.
Looks pretty mint, actually. Alright.
Okay. Dude.
What the fuck is this shit made out of, man?
Maybe it's one of those rads that like, doesn't utilize coolant, you know, just leave it blocked off.
It's
Wireless radiator.
The fucking Bluetooth setup. Okay, get a fucking job and get out of the fucking studio. I'm getting pissed off, man.
I actually hate it. People have no respect.
I know. Respect the fucking stew, dog. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
She's installed. Here yet to one side.
How bad are these?
Find out, dude.
Oh, there you go. That went down quite a bit more.
Dude.
Push down on this side a bit more. Yeah, dude, that's mint. That's like right there.
Nice job, CX.
Way to go, CX Race.
I don't know how I
fuck
feel
'em.
about this fitment right
They
now.
weren't hooking discounts. Would you look at that? Brand spanking new. Even the last Airbender can install these rads. That's
Dude.
how easy it is. The last Airbender.
CX, dude.
Fucking
Fire.
C6, dude. On that farm, he had a cow. Moo. I think this tool is just a bunch of knives.
I know, it's pretty good, eh?
A steak knife, got a
That's all you need, man. What are you saying you think you're gonna do? Pull the drain out?
Yeah, on the bottom. Hello.
Not good, not terrible kind of thing?
Yeah.
That's all we need. What are you doing? Just put the new radiator in.
Filling it up.
It's
I
new.
told you not to do this on the driveway.
What do you mean?
I told you guys not to do this on the fucking driveway.
Why not?
Don't use that.
We'll do it inside. Got the feet out?
Then I can let my little disease breathe there.
Oh, fair enough. He's got the Zara jeans, dude.
He's got the ripped up jeans, eh? Yeah, I gotta pee. And then we're gonna start this thing and bleed it.
What?
Hopefully it solves all of our issues, dude. It sucks because I did order a gauge as well. But that's not gonna be coming until next week, so if the gauge is bad, it still reads hot. I'm just like, this is pointless, but I don't know, dude. Figure it out. Alright, dude, let's bleed this bitch, dude.
Just gonna bleed it, dude.
Bleed it, dude, for the 18th time.
Blueface, I bleed him, dude.
I don't even drive this car, dude. I park it and bleed the coupe.
Yeah.
All of those fuse box, come on, man. Where's the respect?
Dude, she's got a plastic thing on it anymore.
Oh, pretty right on. Oh yeah. What the? You filming that? Get a shot of this. Watch the gauge. Which setting do I pick, dude?
Dude, pick it on a cool setting.
Alright, I'll put it on cool.
Sweet.
We really need that gauge to come in because this is fucking scary, dude.
It's kind of risky.
But it should be bled now.
Yeah, it
Gonna
should
go for
be
a test
good.
drive.
Yeah, man, I don't know. It drives fine. It's just scary with this gauge not working. Like, I don't know if it's overheating or not. It shouldn't be because it's fully bled. So, I don't know. Seems fine. That and the exhaust has the worst exhaust leak ever. I think I've ever heard. The cat is bolted down to the header with one bolt, and then the manifold is leaking at the header as well because I didn't have the donut seals. I just used RTV.
Sounds so fire.
It sounds so good, dude. Fucking mint, eh?
So tits, dude.
So far, dude.
Fucking the last airbender takes his car out for the first drive.
Dude, with the mismatched front end, coolant gauge doesn't work, dude. It's fucking far. Okay, well, we made it. It drives, I guess. I don't know if it's overheating or not, which is pretty sick. Your window's going up really slow, dude. Cable right on. It's on the street, dude.
It's fucking fire, dude. Just went for a rip. Shit in a good way though. Like that looks like shit, dude.
Pretty far, hey?
It's so far.
Anyways, as you saw, you filmed that clip in the car, right, where the gauge is not working?
Yeah.
Yeah, so apart from that and the exhaust leak, it's pretty mint, dude. Got the next video on this car, honestly, dude. TBO front bumper, dude. Side skirts, man. And then in about probably like 2 years, we'll get some long champs. But yeah, it runs and drives pretty good. I don't think it's overheating. Let me know how far the buzzy is, dude.
Yeah. Here, let's
Get some cinematics, man.
I got all the angles.
Yeah, you're like, you spin this way, I'll spin this way. It looks so sick.
Wait, I'll spin the wrong way. Let me get close up here. Hold still.
Close up. Can you see the scalp, dude?
Yeah. Scalp's looking real pale, dude.
Dude, I need to get a tan on the scalp, eh?
Get
I'm getting dizzy.
a
Are we
chip
good?
red like mine. Yeah, I think that was good.
Alright, comment if the buzzy's fire. No, not if. I know it's fucking fire. Comment how fire.
Yeah, comment how fire. Whoever says it's the most fire.
Gets a free fire vinyl.
Yeah, gets a free limited edition fire vinyl.
There's like 3 made, so you get when we
Yeah.
drop them, you gotta get on.
Definitely no zero behind that 3.
Did you make 30 of them? No. Oh. Like, share, and subscribe. Because the ratio went back up. It's like 45% of the people that watch our videos are not subscribed. So,
That's some fucking grade A bullshit.
man, we got the best content on YouTube, dude.
Also, you're about to hear our song.
Yeah. No, well, they would have heard it 2 videos already.
Oh, dude, buddy's definitely not subbed, eh? Look at where he's walking. Jean shorts.
Doesn't look fire, dude.
Yeah.
As soon as you subscribe, you automatically gain like 10 fire points.
Oh, 100%.
That's how it works.
At least.
Okay, that's it. We're gonna go film the intro for this video. Subscribe, because we want subscribers. We're
Yeah,
very grateful
please.
to all the people. We just hit 14K, so thanks for that.
Yeah. All our
Dude.
subscribers are pretty much great people.
It's like a cult following now, dude. That one guy got destroyed
Yeah.
on Instagram.
Yeah, if you know, you know. That guy got ripped apart on
Yeah, you
Instagram.
guys ripped them in half.
The whole Moist Nation was going in like
They
a
were
fucking...
going off,
Dude, do you know what they became?
Moist Nation.
Moist Army.
Moist Army. They went from Moist Fam to Army real quick, dude.
Yeah. Fucking crazy, dude.
Anyways,
Get the fuck out of the studio, man.
yeah,
Dumb
subscribe.
old bitch.
Subscribe so Adam and I can do cool stuff.
Yeah.
Could be the first channel to hit 100K in 10 years. It's gonna be the boys, man.
slowest channel to hit 100K. Let's go.
Actually, with 35.
What is this, fucking Rush Hour 3?
We'll be 35 and still wrenching cars in my parents' driveway.
Yeah, no doubt. Dude, what the fuck is people doing,
Like,
man?
where are we gonna move the office, man? Who knows? Anyways, okay, that's it. Subscribe. Skidoo.